guys.
Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today my blog is all about how I became a cat person. So let's begin. Well, in 2019 when pandemic hit in all around the world, that time I was staying in home, and when I came in January I had to stay outside for a lockdown for 14 days. So that time I met one cat. She was in very conditional shape, very conditional. She needed support. Worst, her I heard that her rib is broken, so she needs someone to take care of her because she can't eat, she can't walk, she can't do anything. She needs someone to take care of her. So I thought I will call cat center very next day. So that's how I became a cat person. So let's see. So yeah, next day we bring her baby, so she looks so happy. So I also call a cat center, so they will come tomorrow, and she looks so happy.
Hello.
Actually, after that day, the cat center came because we have conversation before that day. I sent a message about there's mother cat and kitten on the street, and they need to watch after. So cat center came and they said they will take care of that cat and kittens. But next day they refused my offering. I don't know why. Suddenly they changed their mind, cat center, and they said they think they bring the sample of a 1-month-old kitten, just born baby. They said they only take care of a born baby right now. Actually, who's gonna throw the newborn baby by? Animals can't do that like that. So it was hard for me, so I can't refuse their offering. So I said I will become their foster mom, and let's see for me. But I try my best to look after them. Yeah.
के भनेछ पढ्न वाह
And I make their home near garden because they can easily play near tree. They can play, or they can achieve their skill to hunt, something like that. And I usually give them food in the morning, evening, and night time because kitten needs a nutrition, and mom also needs a nutrition. And most of the time I wake Lamo and took her some walking. I give her walking therapy like that, so she can heal fastly, so she can go somewhere she want to do. Because I heard that her husband is near this area. Sometimes I see her husband, so she run away with him, but she can't because of her rib is broken, her leg is dissolved, so she can't walk properly. That's why. And every time she want to run, there's blood running on her foot. So that time it was really hard for me to look her dear mom. She always look for trouble. That's why.
कुकुर सुँगेर तर्सेछ ओइ खिल म गएँ ल ओइ
Luckily, I get one auntie. She said she will look after Lamo, so she took the Lamo, so she get a forever home in the Bauda. And they sleep with me in my room at night time, so it was quite good to have some company.
Why you're crying, baby?
You know how, I don't know, but slowly I start to like them very much because this small animal can make you so peace and calm, no stress. Like, they are super very friendly with me.
위쪽 가자. 따기매, 간지네. 따기민다? Where is it? Oi, hey. Bye bye. 안녕.
Here, as you can see, they are really attached to me, and every time wherever I go, they like to cuddle with me. They sleep with me. Look at them, they are so cute. So I start to like them. You know, when cat brings you some present, like she's giving you present, okay, don't think in a negative way that they are giving you present, because you are always giving them food. So that's why they are just saying thank you in a return, and they are giving you present like that. So this is just beginning, so watch later what she will bring after this, okay? You will surprise. See, I told you next time she bring me a bird, OMG, but I can't solve them. You know, it's their natural instinct to kill small animals, so I just give her thanks or like that. I can't solve her, it's their natural habit. So.
Oh! Bring. Huh? Bonin ki boni? Oh, I can't stop their nature.
His name is Hobie. He follow me everywhere. He can't.
Hobie, dito ka? There, okay. Hobie, hindi ka pag-alisin eh. 맛있어.
Here you can see her name is Dolma, so she. Tonight we also got a new visitor. He is one and only my Singay. Ta-da!
Good afternoon, good evening. It's 3.
Well, most of the time they sleep under my cupboard. You can see now Tring is cleaning Hobby. So you can see he's so relaxed. He's in very relaxed mode.
아자! 안 돼! Itu nanti kalau sudah jadi hantai tuk. Ayah. Ayah. Today is your last video. Tomorrow you are going to school. You know? Ayah, ito ko sa taksage. Oh my gosh, it's so lekker. 안 돼요. 안 돼요. 뭐야, 트링? 아저씨도 가더럽기나? 메로 바사리? Today's last day video with her. I feel so sad. I don't leave her. Tomorrow she's moving in SMD. I'm so sorry. Really. I wish I could take you with me, but I can't. Sorry. And I love you. Gonna miss you.
Now I'm taking them to forever home called Sri Mangaldeep School. There was one girl, she said she will look after them. She will I'm just a foster mom, so they are getting a forever home. So I hope
They will be happy there. They will get a love as much as they deserve. So, but I'm sad too because I'm leaving them behind, and I hope we will meet again. Yeah, now they are in Sri Mangaldev school in Bauda, and we also roam here and there. I do prayer for her good future, and yeah, I really miss them. And the day after that, we all are getting ready to go to university. So we reach here in Canada Monastery in Lumbini, but I don't feel happy. Like it was so hard to move on, to leave all my baby behind, but still inside I'm sad, but I'm also happy because they get a forever home. In this university I made a new friend. Her name is Arya. So Arya is a dog. Her name is Arya. She has 8 puppies. Because I'm an animal lover, I like to spend time with the animals. So when I reach her, I meet her baby puppies that make me very happy. So I most of the time spend with them, but I still miss them, my babies, my kitten. But slowly I'm healing from the sad reality, but it's okay now. But still deep down I miss them. This is how I became a cat lover. Once you love the pet, you can't get over them, you miss them. So that's why be a cat person is up to you.